Hey guys, Jamie Hines, Phoenix Realtor here. I wanted to take a minute to address the issue of when you see, or for home buyers, when they see an as-is note on a home that they are interested in going to see, or if they go into contract on a home that is being disclosed, quote unquote, as is. The term itself might sound scary, but in reality, it's really not quite that scary. All it really means is that the seller is unable to financially or unwilling to make any repairs that might come up in the home inspection report. So obviously, if you don't like anything that comes up in the home inspection report, you're still well within your rights to back out of the agreement. You have a 10-day due diligence period. So I don't want buyers to get overly scared of that term. I know, again, it does sound scary, but my most recent home purchase, actually, I bought it as is, understanding the market, and it is what it is. So that's really all I have. And just by the way, I am broadcasting live from one of my fully furnished Phoenix vacation rental properties here on the lake. It is Villa Toscana in Awatuki, two bedroom, two bath condo villa, with on the lake with beautiful stunning panoramic views here. So a little bit of self promotion there, but back to the as is. Again, when you see as is, don't get overly concerned. Just think as is really means buyer is not going to be making any repairs. Okay, thanks so much for watching, and please feel free to reach out if you have any questions. Take care.